Okay, so you ready for a funny story time? Never in my 5 years of trading has this ever happened to me. Never happened to me. So that's why I was kind of caught off guard when this happened. And if you've been trading for a long time, you know that this never really happens. Maybe it's happened to one of you. I don't know. So what happened was, this is actually pretty recent. So recently I signed up for Ingot Brokers. You can check that out on my website, pixahoy.com/brokers. Just click the brokers tab at the top. And it's the one that says Ingot Brokers. This is a safe brokerage to trade US 30 on a small account. So if you have a small account, this is perfect for it. But I'm trying it out on my big account, right? So whenever you sign up for a brokerage and you deposit a lot of money, you become one of those high valued clients. And of course, they want to keep your business. So this is the first time this has ever happened to me in 5 years. They actually called me because I'm making too many withdrawals, right? Not too many, but every single day I'm profiting. So I withdraw every single day. Now, of course, I'm going to have days here or there maybe where I just have a losing trade for the day, then I stop. So when I say I profit every day and when I withdraw every day, I pretty much mean I withdraw every day or every other day. But I'm withdrawing at least 4 to 5 times per week. From Sunday to Monday, I'm withdrawing at least 4 to 5 times, consistently. So as an example, made 800 something today. So I just withdrew 500, boom, done, right? So that marks like my 4th, 5th withdrawal for the week. So that's why I was kind of taken back when they hit me up and they said, hey, we just want to make sure everything is okay. They thought I was withdrawing my money because I wanted to switch to a different brokerage or something. But no, I was withdrawing because I'm profiting and then withdrawing. But yeah, about Ingot, this is actually now one of my other favorite brokerages as well. They have a very sexy website. The back office is very simple and clean to understand. Withdrawals processed in 24 hours or less straight to my Bitcoin wallet. So yeah, another broker review, that's good. Anyways, I hope you get my point of that rant. Basically what I'm trying to say is, if me being trading now for 5 years, here I am at my point where I'm able to make all this money, whatever. If I'm at this point in my life where I'm able to do this, and I don't focus on compounding, I focus on, of course, on making that money, just withdrawing it to my bank. I still have some kind of focus on compounding to grow my account. So it's not like I always withdraw all my profit. So if I make 1,000 for the day, sometimes I might withdraw only 500, right? Because I want to keep some profit in the account to grow it. But you see what I'm saying? If you only focus on compounding, it's my opinion, it's not that good of a mindset to have, because you probably got into trading for a reason, and that reason is probably for some kind of freedom in your life. And if you don't make those withdrawals, you're not really going to experience that freedom you've always wanted to have. So you always got to withdraw at least some of your profits. One thing I like to do is I always like to look back at where I was way before trading. Is when I was a lifeguard. Back in the day, I was making only $9.50 an hour, so $9.50 per hour. If I were lucky, I'd work 10 hours for the day. If I were lucky, right? 10 hours times $9.50 an hour, that's about $95 for that day. Minus all the taxes, you're looking at like 80 something bucks for the day or whatever, right? So, it took me an entire day just to barely make $80 to $90. So whenever I see that I made, 500, 1,000 bucks for the day or something or more, I remind myself what I just made in that day used to take me a week or two to make. So let me withdraw that and let me experience that money in my bank account. Let me see that, or my Bitcoin wallet, whichever you withdraw to. So always look at it with that perspective. If you're going to compare the money you just made today to the money you make at your job, and if it's way more than your job, withdraw that money.